Welcome students. Today's our topic is converse of Pythagoras theorem for class 10th. And what is the theorem? First of all, you suppose that is in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is right angle. Now first of all we have to draw the figure, that is here this is a triangle. Now this A, B, C be a triangle, and what is given? Now first of all write the given of this. Given in triangle A, B, C, what is given? Square of one side, that is AC square, is equal to AB का square and plus BC square. And now to prove, then the angle opposite to the first side means this side, is right angle. यानी कि we have to prove angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now write to prove, that is angle B is equal to 90 degree. First of all we write the construction. Here draw another figure, this, that is draw another figure, this one is, that is here this P Q R and this one is 90 degree, and AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR. Now write the construction. In construction write this, draw a triangle PQR, that is angle Q is equal to 90 degree and PQ is equal to AB, that is PQ is equal to AB, QR is equal to BC and QR is equal to PC. Okay, अब now we have to write the solution of this solution. First of all we write this. We know that since in triangle ABC what is given? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now this is given. Secondly, in this triangle angle Q is 90 degree. Again in triangle PQR angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, PR का स्क्वायर, that is hypotenuse का स्क्वायर, is equal to base, that is QR का स्क्वायर plus perpendicular PQ square. This is equation number 2. But in construction PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. This implies that PR square is equal to, that is QR BC square plus PQ, that is AB square. Now here since PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC, this one is by construction. This is equation number 3. Now here we look here from equation 1 and 3, AB square, that is AB square plus BC square, here is also BC square, then this is also equal to this. Therefore from equation 1 and 3, now from equation 1 and 3 we get what is AC square is equal to PR square. AC square is equal to PR square, and this implies that AC is equal to PR. This is equation number 4. Now here, look here, this is also equal to this. From equation 4, BC is equal to QR, that is by construction PQ is equal to AB. So this triangle will be congruent to this triangle. Now we have another proof. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, here AB is equal to PQ, AB is equal to PQ by construction QR is equal to BC, that is QR is equal to BC, which is also by construction, and AC is equal to, this one is PR from equation 4. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle, this one is congruent sign, triangle PQR. Why this criteria? That is side. Now therefore here this is congruent, this triangle is congruent to PQR, therefore angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So this implies that angle B is equal to angle Q by CP/CT, but angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Why? By construction. Therefore angle B is also equal to 90 degree. This is proof. Here now this, what is our proof? Angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle B is equal to 90 degree, and this, the angle opposite to the first side is right angle. This is first side, and opposite angle this is, which is also 90 degree. This is our proof. Okay, thank you.